In this video, we'll see how to find coordinates of midpoint of a line segment, right? For example, I have got one line segment. Line segment means it is having fixed length. Here is A and here is B. Let me have the coordinates of this point A as x1, y1, coordinates of this point B, x2, y2. It must be having a midpoint, right? Here is the midpoint. So let me call this as a C. So what are the coordinates of this midpoint? Let me take them as a generally x comma y. What do you mean by midpoint? The midpoint means so this AC is equal to CB. So that is like AC ratio to CB is same. 1:1. They are same, no? So that's why by using this information, if you want to find out the value of x, it's quite simple. There is no need to mention this m1 ratio to m2 and all. So even though if you take m1 and m2, both are going to be 1 and 1. All right, so AC is like for example it is 4 centimeter, then CB is also 4 centimeter. No need to worry about those things. All right, so the value of x will be quite simple, that is x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Please make a note of this. X is equal to x1 plus x2 and y is equal to, the formula is going to be y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Based upon this, questions can be framed. All right, so let us take a question. So the question is like this: find coordinates find coordinates of midpoint of line segment joining 2 comma minus 2 and minus 4 comma, let me take it as 6. All right, so here is one point, let me call it as A. So this point is 2 comma minus 2, and another point, let me take it as B, and this is minus 4 comma 6, right? So here is the midpoint, let me take it as C. So it is going to be x comma y, and I'm going to call this as x1 y1. All right, and this one as x2 y2. So we know the formula for x, no? So what is the formula for x? X is equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. All right, so what is the value of x1? X1 is 2 plus what is the value of x2? X2 is minus 4, then divided by 2. All right, so it is going to be 2 minus 4 divided by 2. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2. 2 get cancelled, and I'm going to have minus 1. So the value of x is going to be minus 1. The coordinate, the x coordinate of this midpoint is minus 1. All right, so similarly we can find the value of y also. All right, so you can carry forward the calculation here only. So y is equal to, what is the formula? Y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So what is the value of y1? So y1 is a minus 2. You can have a look here. So y1 is a minus 2. I'm going to substitute that, and y2 is 6. So minus 2 plus 6 divided by 2. So it is going to be 4 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are. So it is going to be 2. So the value of y is 2. All right, so this is 2. So minus 1 comma 2 is the midpoint of line segment joining A, which is 2 comma minus 2, and B, which is minus 4 comma 6. All right, I hope you must have got to know how to find the midpoint. Based upon this midpoint, a variety of problems can be, they can be framed in any way, but you should be able to solve them. All right, for example, if they give a question like this, okay, find the value of k if 1 comma 2 is the midpoint of 1 comma 2 is the midpoint of 2 comma 2 comma k, and let me take this as a what we are going to take here 0 comma 4. All right, so randomly I'm taking this problem. Find the value of k. We have to get the value of k. Okay, if 1 comma 2 is the midpoint of 2 comma k and 0 comma 4. All right, so let me draw this. So here is the point A, so let me call it as 2 comma k. All right, so let us take one more point, that is B. So that is going to be 0 comma 4. All right, so now they have given the midpoint also. So what is that midpoint? If 1 comma minus 2 is the midpoint, so 1 comma 2, so let me take this point here. See, so this is a midpoint with 1 comma 2. All right, so this is going to be x1 y1, right? And similarly this is going to be x2 y2, right? So this is going to be x and y. All right, so we know the formula for x as well as y, but there is no need to apply both the formula here. Why? Because I want the value of k, right? So k means you can use this y1 plus y2 divided by 2 means y is there, so you can make use of this. And anyway, look at this, x1 is there, x1 is 2 and x2 is 0. 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 divided by 2 means 1 is coming. This is satisfying. So that's why while giving the problem also I was thinking, so because this is a fresh problem, no, I designed this and I gave you immediately. All right, so you can use this formula, y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So what is the value of y? The value of y is 2, right? So 2 is equal to, so what is the value of y1? Y1 is k. All right, so k plus, what is the value of y2? So y2 is 4. So 4 then divided by 2. All right, so then I'm going to have it as 2 into 2 is equal to k plus 4. All right, so it is going to be 4 is equal to k plus 4. So this 4 and 4 they get cancelled, as in it becomes minus, and that's why they get cancelled. So k is equal to 0. So for this they asked us to find the value of k, no, so this is 0. All right, I hope the midpoint theorem, this is known as midpoint theorem. So whatever I have explained here, whatever values of this x and y I have got, no, so this is according to which theorem? So this is like a midpoint theorem, which is very very important, and this can be used in area of triangle also many times. Okay, so in many long questions, lengthy questions are there, no, so in that this concept can be used, and definitely you can take help of this to solve those kind of problems. All right, if you're liking all these short videos, then give it a thumbs up, and definitely share this good work with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that our good work keep on reaching everyone. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day, and bye bye.